Hey folks, your buddy Adam here, and today we're looking at this is a KN95 mask, and I'm going to give you a full fit test and tell you all about it so you can check it out for yourself. Now I'm a fairly large individual, so this fits fairly tight, but it does work really well. It gets rid of 99.97 pollutants, bacteria, debris, viruses, anything in the air. It is really filtering, and because you can see my breath move it in and out, you know that the seal is very tight. So what's so great about this? Let me show you a little bit more about it. Now, up close and personal, let's get that on to where it's not too bright. You can see that this is a high quality mask, has 5 layers, and it comes 20 to a pack is the standard sizing for this. Now, as somebody who's 6'2", 6'3", 220 pounds, I'm a bigger individual, and this fits even my big face, but probably someone a little bit smaller would fit very well. This is designed for woodworking, for hospital use, for anything that you really have to keep bad things out of your lungs. That's what this is designed for. Now there's a little piece of metal right here that clips it down and forms directly for your nose. If you have a wider nose, you can make it adjust it, you can bring it down a little bit, however works best for you. Now also on this, these are very good straps that aren't going to break. I know that was my first and initial mask. These are the areas that would break, and these had no problem with them. They really do provide a great deal more support and comfort and just sturdiness. What else can I tell you? This is, again, 5 layers of protection. And when you say KN95, that is a special type of mask that you have to kind of get approval from the government to make, because they are better than just standard masks. If you are wearing just a cloth mask, some other type of mask, these are the ones that are made for a more significant coverage. These are made for hospitals. They're made for construction workers, people who apply pest applications, things like that. That's what these are designed for. You get 20 in a pack with this offering, which is fantastic, so you don't have to wear the same one over and over, because you know we all get guilty of wearing a dirty mask here and there. The fact that they are designed like this offers a quite a bit more support, where your lips and stuff aren't constantly touching. You don't want a mask where your lips are touching it. My lips are not touching the mask, and that makes a big difference as well. And also, I'm going to show you real close. The seal here is fantastic. It is not pulling air from around the sides, the unfiltered air. You're only getting the filtered air. So, great advantages here, great quality, it looks good, it looks professional. Some of those flimsy, doctor's office masks where your air is still coming in from the sides don't really protect you, and they look like you're sick or something, right? These look like you're a professional, look like you're a doctor, and they're going to fit faces of all sizes. Well designed, they've been tried and true and available for decades now, and they're really just a good mask. So, there you go, folks. And you can kind of put them flat, put them away, and use them again if you need to. Obviously, I think everyone will say, get yourself, a new mask as often as you can afford. A great product, very safe, very secure, and probably something that you're gonna want to have in your cart. All right, folks. Thanks again for watching. I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations, where we only show you the most elite products, and this is the best of the best, so you can probably forget the rest. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.